Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. Today we all are celebrating the birthday of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the Missile Man of India, the great man who needs no sort of introduction. Many a times when we are thinking about famous people, we always wonder what they might be doing, what is their routine life, what they might be eating, and many such more questions. So today I am going to share one recipe made from brown rice. You can use any normal rice which you prefer. Here I am using brown rice because it is diabetic friendly and good for health, free from starch. So here I am taking about 1 cup of brown rice. This is sufficient for 4 servings. Wash it very well 2 to 3 times and soak it in water for at least half an hour. Here I had taken about 1 cup of green moong, soaked it in water for 5 to 6 hours. Before soaking, we have to wash it very nicely for 2 to 3 times because it contains lot of dirt. So after soaking for 5 to 6 hours, take a pan, rinse all the water and add this moong into the pan. For 1 cup of moong, add about 2 cups of water. We have to cook this moong very nicely. Green gram or moong is highly nutritious. They are very good in reducing high blood sugar levels, high blood pressure, and even reduces bad cholesterol. So try to include this green gram in your diet at least thrice a week. Dr. Kalam used to eat this kanji and payar recipe in his dinner. From this we can understand how his life was so simple. Now here I am going to add some salt, about half a teaspoon. Now let it boil for a few minutes. I am closing it with a lid. After 3-4 minutes, we can see it has come to boil. Now add in 3 to 4 green chilies roughly chopped and some curry leaves. This gives a very good flavor to this payar recipe. Payar, which means moong or green gram in Malayalam. Allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So let's check out. After 15 minutes, the green gram has cooked nicely. Now here I am going to add some freshly grated coconut, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now this is completely optional. If you don't like grated coconut, you can skip this step. Now I am adding about 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Mix it well. Add some salt if required. You can see the water has also drained out completely. Now it is ready to be served. This is a very tasty and healthy recipe, and the main thing is that it is completely oil-free cooking. So after an hour, I am taking this rice and transferring it into a pressure cooker. You can even use a pan if you like. But here this process will be very fast if you are using a pressure cooker. So add this rice into the cooker. For 1 cup of rice, I am taking here 5 glasses of water. After cooking, the rice will be of liquid consistency, so we have to add more amount of water. If we are using less water, the rice will not be cooked properly and our recipe will not come out perfectly. So for this we have to add more amount of water and cook it up to 6 to 7 whistles on a medium flame. Before closing the lid, add about 1 tablespoon of salt and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on a medium flame. So after 20 minutes, You can see the rice has cooked properly, and even the water content is also there. So our kanji recipe is ready to be served. Serve this hot kanji along with some papad, pickle and the green gram thoran or pyre which we had prepared. Usually in South India, people have this recipe in dinner. Our beloved President Dr. Kalam also had this recipe very often in his dinner. He used to consume it in local restaurants. So this shows how his life was so simple, but the things or the work he has done for our country is worthwhile. Today's video is a tribute to this great man who is an idol for many people in India as well as abroad. So just wanted to remember him on his birthday by making his favorite dish, that is kanji and pyre. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.